saw how to calculate an angle between a minute hand and an hour hand when a particular time is given to us. In this particular video, an angle will be given to us and we'll calculate the precise time. For example, at what time between 1 PM and 2 PM will the angles between minute hand and hour hand be 90 degrees? Right? We have to find out instances between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock where the angle between minute hand and hour hand be 90 degrees. Just to give you a clear perspective, you can see here at 1:20 the angle will be close to 90 degrees. This will be one instance, and another instance will be somewhere close to 155, and again the angle between minute hand and hour hand will be 90 degrees. Right? Let's see how do we solve this. So I'll draw the two cases over here. There will be one instance where I'll have the time as 1:20. There will be another instance where I'll have the time somewhere close to 155. Right? So both these instances are going to give me an angle of 90 degrees. Let's see how do we solve this. Now, what I'll do is I will keep this hour hand fixed. I will not allow this hour hand to move at all. I'll keep this hour hand fixed and I'll make the minute hand move. Okay, so minute hand is going to move from 12 to 4, right? Minute hand is going to move from 12 to 4. That means this is going to cover how many degrees? This is going to cover 120 degrees. Now, we are aware of the basic fact that in 1 minute, the minute hand covers 6 degrees and the hour hand covers half a degree. So, minute hand will cover 6 degrees. Let's say this is minute hand, and hour hand will cover just half a degree. So effectively, if I am not allowing my hour hand to move at all, if my hour hand is not moving, what I can say is my minute hand is gaining 5.5 degrees with respect to hour hand. Yes or no? Which is 6 minus half. Yes or no? So my minute hand is gaining 5.5 degrees with respect to hour hand every minute. So what I can say is my minute hand will be rotating by 5.5 degrees if I am keeping this fixed. So what will happen is, to make an angle of 90 degrees, I have seen I will have to rotate the minute hand by 120 degrees. So by unitary method, what I can say is 5.5 degrees will be covered in the space of 1 minute. So 120 degrees will be covered in space of how many minutes? So that will be 120 by 5.5, which can be written as 120 by 11 by 2. I can take the 2 upward. So this will become 240 by 11, and this will give me 11 into 2, 20, 11, 1, 9 will be remainder, 21, 9 by 11. So I can say precisely at 1 hour, 21, 9 by 11 minutes, the angle between minute hand and hour hand will be 90 degrees. Now there will be again another instance where, let's say I am keeping this fixed at 1, right? Now I need 3 instances or 3 spacings, 1, 2, 3 of 30 degree each. So what I'll do is I'll make it go till here, okay? I'll make it go till here. So 30, 30, 30 will give me how much? 30, 30, 30 will give me 90 degrees. So for the minute hand to come here, it will have to cover 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. That means 10 spacings has to be covered. From 12 to 10, that means a total of 300 degrees should be covered. So as we saw in the previous case, 5.5 degrees was covered in 1 minute. So 300 degrees will be covered in how many minutes? So 300 upon 11 into 2. So this will again give me 600 upon 11, 11 into 1, 11 into 5, 11 fours are, and 6 remainder, 54, 6 by 11. So the second instance where the angle between minute hand and hour hand be 90 degree will be 1 hour, 54, 6 by 11 minutes. So what we just saw in this video is how do we calculate the precise time when we have a particular angle given. So please ensure we are not making it rotate by 90 degrees. We are ensuring that the angle becomes 90 degree. For the angle to become 90 degree, we are rotating it by 120 degree in this case, and here we are rotating it by 300 degrees. So I hope you have understood the concept. There is another concept which we will be studying in the next part of the video. Thanks for watching this video.